Hello everyone, how are you all? This is Harsh and you're watching Creativista, and Christmas week's up and I thought what would be better than making Christmas cards for your loved ones. So that's what we're gonna do today in this video. We'll be making 3 easy yet very beautiful cards for your loved ones and to spread magic around. So let's get started. So for the first one, I'm using a brown sheet here, but you can also use a black sheet. And now take out some glue and apply it on a brush and rip off the excess. And now draw a Christmas tree on your sheet. Sprinkle some dusting glitter onto the glue. And wait for it to dry. Once it is dried, you can shake off the excess. So after that it will look something like this. And now you can decorate the tree with some stones and write your wish and your card is ready. Now for the second one, take a white sheet like this and with the help of a ruler and a pencil, make a Christmas tree in the middle, or I should say make a triangle in the middle. And now cut out your triangle. And now take a thick white sheet and trace the same triangle on it. You can do it by keeping the sheet like this. So now we have to fill in this triangle with different patterns. For instance, here I have applied a strip of glitter, then red tape, then green tape with some beads, then again glitter, and by repeating this series I have completed the whole triangle. So once your triangle is completed, cover it with the sheet and you can tape off the borders. Here I have used a golden tape, you can also use any other color. So just write your wish and your card is ready. For the third one, let's gear up with some watercolors. So here I have taken a white sheet and on this we'll be practicing how to make leaves and cherries. So I'm using a darker version of green and a lot of water, and in this way I'm making these leaves. It is very essential to practice making these leaves before you do it on the fair card so that you do not tend to make mistakes. So now here you can see I have made a very rough outcome of how I will compose the things on my card. So I will move accordingly and paint all of it with watercolors. So first of all I am making dark green leaves. Once I am done with them and it has dried completely, I am moving further with the light green ones. As you can see over here, I am done with the leaves and now I am going to make the ferns. So for making the ferns, we are going to follow the very similar way we did it in the rough one. So first of all, make a green stem in the middle, or we can say make a green line in the middle, and then make some strokes. And you have to keep on reducing the size of the strokes as we go further. So now once I'm done with all the leaves, I'm going to make some stems just to connect them with each other. So once I'm done with everything and everything has dried, I'm going to make some cherries. So wherever I see an empty spot, I'm going to fill it up with some cherries. Just write down the wish and our card is ready. So in this way you can make 3 beautiful Christmas cards and be prepared for the day. So friends, that was it for this video. Hope you liked it. And on Christmas, it's a really magical spirit all around, and we give gifts to each other, and sometimes it's really difficult to find which gift to give and which gift to not. But if you want to give me a gift, then it's really simple. Go down there and subscribe to my channel. That will be best gift ever. Thank you so much.